Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to design your logo using Canva. So for this you have to simply go to the start button in the below here. Then here you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you like to use, and then you have to simply put in the www.canva.com in the search bar, and it will simply take you to the Canva login page. Then there you have to simply put in your Canva login credentials, and it will simply take you to this home page. And from here in the search bar you have to simply type in the logo. So let's say I would like to do this for a business, and let's say logo for a business, then click on enter. And after that, here we can see there are lots of logo option, pre-made option are there showing, and you can just choose any of them and edit them. So let's say I would like to choose this one, and after that you have to simply click on customize this template. And please note that there are some design that you would like to edit, then you have to purchase the Canva Pro, and there are some also the free version. And here you can see it have already transferred us to the another page. There are two versions, black one and the white one. You can just choose any section from there and you can just simply edit that. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.